Hey guys, Jesse here. AI Music Money, AI Music Empire School Community launched today. Super excited that our first live call today helped someone get the DistroKid and Suno helper downloaded, and they were using it, and they reported back that they got everything going. They had a few issues setting up. And I hope you're watching this video. Shout out. And I also had some questions I wanted to answer. Got asked about Valvala, and they were like, so you're telling me in 7 months that you did this with SEO, no ads, like 100%. Here's Valvala. Here's our streams. No advertisements ever run to this, ever. And you can look over here, I believe, in campaigns. I don't even know how to run ads to Spotify, by the way. I only know how to run them to YouTube. But there's no ads ever been run here. And I'll be able to show you the same in YouTube. But first, quick credibility check. For the new people, if you're wondering what people are doing here, I'm showing everyone how I made close to $30,000 in the past 7 months, you can say, but roughly 20 grand in December alone. So roughly $20,000 between this and even more in my, YouTube partner program, which I haven't even gone into detail on that yet. I haven't prepared any videos, but you can see all the withdrawals. Boom, started withdrawal in September. And if you want to know how I made the money, if you want to know how I got over 7.5 million streams on YouTube, this is where the majority of the money is coming from. YouTube Partner and YouTube Red. So YouTube Premium, and YouTube AdSense. And then honestly, yesterday was like the lowest day of views that I've gotten in almost since November. So hopefully this picks right back up and doesn't continue going lower. And that's my main channel. And hopefully these aren't negative effects from sharing with everyone, which I believe they may be, because we got some bad actors out there already comment some spam on some of my videos. Shame on you. If you're watching this, hope you enjoy your time. But if you want to know how I got 8.5 million streams on Spotify, this is my main artist. Just watch all my videos, binge watch them. I go through the whole method. But and if you want to know how, let me go here. And yep, and this is Valvala, 31,000 streams, 4,100 listeners, which is only 407 followers, by the way, not to be confused. If you want to know how I did that, then binge watch everything, but it's simple. I'm going to finish work. You come up with your artist, you do your keyword research, find something that's low. And I had there we go. And like today, we're targeting sea shanties. Should be able to see that. Let me make sure you can see that. Today, we're targeting sea shanties again. We made some sea shanties live in the school community today while I answered some questions. And I had you guys on live over there. Those of you that tuned in got to see it. There will be a recording of the YouTube live up posted later. But so we're looking at doing some targeting sea shanty medley. That's a term I'm actually going to target here. And so we finished out. We downloaded those during the live, but now I need to upload them. So I'm making a video to upload and show you guys. And we're going to use our DistroKid helper. But first we made a album cover here with ChatGPT. That was the last thing we did before we got out of there. So I need to finish editing that. And you know me, I like to use vintage, nostalgic, and dream. I used the vintage ones that had nostalgic or dream to it, which I believe makes it pop much better. That looks good right there. And then I will add autofocus, I think gives it that professional look. It really makes it just pop from the background. Separates the main focal point of the image from the background. And I don't want too much. I want to see some waves in there, but just enough. And, really kind of helps the eye narrow in on what I want it to see, which gives it that professional look, in my opinion. And that's going to be our album cover for the sea shanty medleys. And PNG, perfect. We'll download all of that. And we use ChatGPT and Suno to get all this done. Suno helper downloaded everything. You saw that in live. What you're going to get to watch here is we use DistroKid helper, Suno helper / and this software is available in the school community as well. Watch me use this. So select a meta.json, download it. It's already extracted. If you do download it, make sure you got to extract all to upload. And then sea shanty gorilla. And choose shorter names, please. This is my first artist. Don't judge me. But make sure I even spelled it right. I'm almost sure that's right, but I want to make sure I spell the name right in conjunction with the YouTube channel. Yep. Boom, boom, boom. I'm a huge fan of copy and paste. So that way there's no errors. And now we're going to copy our keyword, which we have in there, which is sea shanty medley. We're copying what we were targeting. And then we're going to this will autofill all our tracks and tags. Now it's going to put that keyword at the end of every title automatically. So I don't have to type it in. It saves me a tremendous amount of time. And autofill DistroKid, applying metadata. And I got a video covering this in the school community as well. Upload, download now. Got our 11 songs in there. And Sea Shanty Gorilla. We'll release this today. Set the price as low as possible. Select genre. We're going to go. We're just going to choose. And we're going to put our sea shanty medley picture in there. We got. We'll just leave that. We'll just leave vocal there. I don't want to mess with it. See how it throws the keyword in after every term now. Now we still got to go drop our songs in here. Chains. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Happens. Don't let it go too soon. Bada boom, boom, boom. But yeah, like I said, we generated this while answering some questions, and that's what I'm going to do on the weekends in the community. Go live while I'm working, and share my answer. Should be good to go. Close that, and yeah, that's the wrap. And so easy peasy lemon squeezy. We're on the way to generating some passive income via revenue streams. So I appreciate your time. Let me know if you have any questions. If you want kind of that one-on-one mentorship, you want more personal attention, you want to download the software, you want to be a part of the community, go join the school community. If not, wait till you make some money. Give it a couple months and then come back. And as a favor to me, as be like, hey, thank you for turning me on to this. Then join the school community. Everything's free here on YouTube, minus the software. Everything's free on YouTube. I'm answering all the questions I can. If I'm not answering a question because it's in a thread, make sure to just start a new thread or answer a completely new comment, because what happens is I'm not getting notifications when you re-comment on an old comment, if that makes sense. YouTube's not sending me the notifications. I'm only getting notifications for new comments. So I know that's what's been going on. So I've been going in there trying to find them and answer them, but I'm not ignoring anybody. I'm just not getting all the notifications, and I'm getting a lot of them at once. So thanks for watching. Hope this helps somebody out. SEO keywords for the win. This is the one I targeted. But if you look at all these where there's nothing, that means there's zero people utilizing these keywords. Not that they're all the most viable. They're all pretty close, but just food for thought. If you want to go make sea shanties of your own, that the total is medium and high search volume, but 20 some odd, couple thousand views an hour being searched here. So, excuse me. Food for thought. Go check that stuff out. And you can see here, if I go by competition, these words, all of these are your slices of pie that are out here for you to go get, right? You're just looking for a small slice of that pie. There's a lot of views out there available. Nobody has search terms for these. That means nobody's really owning these keywords. That's why there's no competition. That's lower than low. There's a zero competition. Peace.